political establishment of the day in 1990. But he accepted this award from the media organizations, and after that he wrote this letter.
I first met Nikhil Chakravarti in 1963. The Indian universities and some British ones, the importance of freedom of information, the tensions within the party, though he did not resign from it until 15 years later. Given the neglect of basic education in India by successive governments, nothing perhaps is as important at this time for the success of economic reforms or economic development in general as the need for expanding school education and for enhancing elementary social opportunities. While the overactivity of the state in Indian industrial policies